Okay, I'm going to put in the wall of separation as usual for us. Right there. So that's the wall separating the left side and the right side. Okay, so X is yelling out. Oh, well, first off, the parentheses. X isn't yelling yet. Whenever we have parentheses, whatever's outside the parentheses multiplies the two things inside the parentheses. So 6x minus 12, and then you just bring down this minus 12 equals the other side. Nothing's happening yet. Okay, now combine these guys, huh? Because they're just both plain old numbers. So combine. And so we get 6x minus 24. And again, that's because if you lose, remember for adding, subtracting, you just do money. Just think about money here. If you lose $12 and you lose $12, you lost $24, didn't you? Two negatives don't make a positive there, do they? These two negatives make a bigger negative. When do two negatives make a positive? When you multiply or divide. When you multiply or divide, two negatives make a positive. But anyway, you can just do it on your calculator. Bring these guys down, bring it down, bring it down. Okay, now we have X on opposite sides, don't we? Right here and right here. X, erase this. X on opposite sides. So what do we do when we have X on opposite sides? So I hope you're getting more and more comfortable with this. When we have X on opposite sides, we do the opposite of either one, same to both sides. So it doesn't matter, do either one. So because you look at the 6x, look at the 22x. Basically, what I can do here is I could go minus 22x, because that's the opposite of the 22x, right? But whatever you do to one side, I would have to do that same thing to the other. That would cancel this guy out and get rid of that guy. You got to get rid of one of them. It doesn't matter which one. When you have it on both sides, you get rid of one of them. It doesn't matter which one. Or I think I'm going to go the other way this time. I think I'm going to go minus 6x. I'm going to get rid of the lower one, but you don't have to do the lower one. You can do the bigger one or the lower one. It doesn't matter. Just do the opposite of either one. Okay, and now these two will cancel, right? So now here's a common mistake. People go, okay, 24 equals, that's wrong. That minus is his baby. That's why I make that analogy. Signs in front of a number, that's your baby. You don't leave your baby behind, right? Okay. So 22x minus 6x, what is that? I think it's 16x. And then bring down one minus 104. Okay, and now X is on the right side. That's fine. Right side, left side, whatever. X is yelling out, I want to be alone. So you know what we do? We save the 16x. We save the 16, which is right next to the X. Save that for the left, for the end. And let's go on and let's add the 104 to both sides. Cancels, cancels. And the other side, just combine these, use your calculator. I think it's 80. Okay, and then what's the last step? Always last step. Divide, right? Divide by the identical number next to X. And when you do that, you get 5. So there we go. The answer is 5. Again, the key step, when you have X's on opposite sides, do the opposite of one of them. Just get rid of one of them, but gotta do that same thing to both sides. And the last step for solving for X is dividing by the number, the identical number, same sign, same everything, that's right next to X. There we go.